Hello there, very good afternoon to you. Well, overall a grey picture today, any brightness fleeting, but quite mild, highs of 18 to 19 degrees. Small chance for shower this afternoon, but actually the greatest risk of the wet weather is overnight. Could see some heavier bursts there, but very overcast and cloudy, meaning actually a very mild night in store, 16 degrees, so closer to daytime figures really. And the grey theme continues tomorrow, greater chance than today of more of that wet weather. It could be heavy, there could be some thundery bursts as well, so quite a grim picture overall. The winds light to moderate and another mild day in store with highs of 18 degrees. Well, it has been quite cloudy overall today, a few showers around as well, and actually that's really the same story as we head into tomorrow. Any brightness will be limited and likely to see more in the way of wet weather, some heavier and more frequent showers, but temperatures are actually fairly mild for the time of year, particularly overnight, and staying fairly warm into tomorrow as well. So in the wider picture you can see this front is passing through, a few showers tonight, and then we're into this warmer segment of air until tomorrow. This cold front passes through, bringing again more wet weather that could be quite heavy, so we may be in for a bit of a soaking tomorrow. But back to tonight, it will be breezy for a time, then the winds will drop down. Overall quite cloudy and a few showers are likely. Some of those could be on the heavy side with maybe some thunder in the mix too. But as I said, feeling rather warm tonight, minimum temperatures of 16 degrees. So a grey start tomorrow, cloudy with some hill fog possible as well. The winds light to moderate from a southeasterly direction, and there's that system coming through. So by the afternoon we could actually see some heavier bursts of rain. Some thunder is possible as well, but it is still feeling mild. We've got maximum temperatures tomorrow of 17 to 18 degrees. Let's take a look then at our times of high water between 6 and 7 a.m. later on between 6:30 and 7:30, with the sea temperature just above 16 degrees. So in summary, when we turn to the outlook, yes, it is looking rather grim, grey and dreary tomorrow with some heavy rain possible in the afternoon. But once we get through that, notice on Thursday, it's actually a fine day overall. We'll have some dry and bright spells, turning a bit more unsettled and cooler into the weekend. Hello there, very good evening. Well, it was quite cloudy today and that theme is continuing into tomorrow. Any brightness will be limited and showers increasingly likely actually tonight and into tomorrow. More wet weather than what we had today, but temperatures still feeling mild and above average for the time of year. So when we take a look at the wider picture, you can see quite a few areas of low pressure. This system could bring us some rain tonight. We'll be into some warmer air before another cold front moves through tomorrow, and that's going to bring the heavy showers into tomorrow afternoon. But back to tonight, things breezy for a time, but the wind's calming down. The showers are likely and some of those could actually be on the heavy side, perhaps some thunder as well in the mix, but feeling mild with minimum temperatures of 16 degrees. So tomorrow, another grey and dreary start. There may well be some hill fog. The wind's light to moderate from the southeast, and as we saw earlier, that front is approaching. So by the afternoon, some possible heavy bursts of rain, perhaps as well, once again, some thunder. But it is another mild day with maximum temperatures of 18 degrees, and actually once we get through the wet and dreary conditions tomorrow, looking like a finer day in store for Thursday.